A home workouts. No Equipment app is a mobile application designed to help users engage in effective exercise routines without the need for any gym equipment. These apps cater to individuals who prefer to work out at home or in any space where access to traditional fitness gear is limited. The workouts typically include a variety of exercises that utilize body weight, making them accessible to a wide range of fitness levels. The best home workouts. No Equipment apps often feature a diverse selection of workout plans, including strength training, cardio, flexibility, and high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Users can find routines tailored to specific goals, such as weight loss, muscle toning, or overall fitness improvement. Many apps provide instructional videos or animations that demonstrate proper form and technique, ensuring users perform exercises safely and effectively. Additionally, these apps commonly include features like workout tracking, progress monitoring, and customizable workout schedules, allowing users to stay motivated and accountable. Some may also offer community support, enabling users to connect with others who share similar fitness goals and challenges. Overall, home workouts. No Equipment apps serve as valuable resources for anyone looking to maintain or enhance their fitness levels without the constraints of a gym. They empower users to take charge of their health and wellness from the comfort of their own homes, making fitness more accessible and convenient.